This is exactly how Shib will drop zero this week. Shiba Inu news today. Shiba Inu price is setting the stage for a breakout trade later in the US session on Wednesday. The chart points to an inflection point with several indicators, and bulls need to roll the dice here if they want to use the momentum to their advantage. With the price action being underpinned and some ample room to move higher, bulls could book up to 30% gains on the back of this breakout trade. In this video, we will talk about this is exactly how Shib will drop zero this week. Shiba Inu news today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Shiba Inu price is getting bullish intervention with its price action. Throughout the European session, the 200-day simple moving average, or SMA, provided support this Wednesday and kept price action above $0.000001000. Bulls are brushing against that red descending trend line that'll be the line in the sand for a breakout. Shib bulls have the upside in their favor as the breakout is not bearing any firm resistance levels until the 55-day SMA. That one is just above $0.0001200 and means that bulls can reclaim that psychological number. Should more tailwinds come in from the influential gaming expo, that is, Shib could see more inflow with $0.0001300 by Friday in its forecast. The bigger risk to the downside comes from the green ascending trend line. Although the area below that $0.0001000 level is very choppy, with the monthly S1 and that red line at $0.000000966 for the low of March, it could trigger a catalyst move once breached. A quick nosedive move to $0.000000738 could be the result. The world's second largest meme coin, Shiba Inu, continues to expand its footprint market-wide. In the latest development, the Shiba Inu community has pushed the listing of SHIB tokens to major Japanese crypto exchanges. Bitflyer, one of the largest exchanges operating in Japan with over 2.5 million users, announced that it would start offering support for trading SHIB tokens. The announcement from Bitflyer came earlier today on March 22nd. The Japan-based Bitflyer has yet to reveal any specific details of its plan. However, it announced a SHIB handling commemoration with a 10,000 Japanese yen prize pool of 20 eligible winners. The campaign will start today, as in March 22nd, and end soon as Bitflyer starts handling SHIB. Bitflyer is not the first Japanese crypto exchange to handle SHIB transactions. Last month, on February 28th, OKCoin Japan, the Japanese subsidiary of the San Francisco-based exchange OKCoin, started handling SHIB transactions. Besides, the exchange also reported a positive response to the Shiba Inu listing. In another development, meme coin Shiba Inu also observed a massive jump in its burn rate, shot up all the way by 4,600%. The burn rate denotes the portion of tokens removed from circulation, thereby effectively shrinking the total supply for the SHIB crypto. By theory, this dramatic increase in SHIB's burn rate should lead to a higher valuation for the cryptocurrency, as it effectively reduces the supply. However, the market price of Shiba Inu hasn't shown much movement and remained effectively stable, thereby confusing the investors. As of press time, the Shiba Inu meme coin is trading at $0.0001087, with a market cap of $6.4 billion. While the broader cryptocurrency market rallied this month, Shiba Inu chose not to participate in the rally. Over the last 2 weeks, the SHIB price has undergone limited fluctuations while hinting that large-scale traders and investors are uncertain about the crypto's future. Also, the core development team at Shiba Inu has been lagging behind with the launch of the Layer 2 scalability protocol Shibarium. Furthermore, there are other projects waiting in line for the launch of Shibarium. The much-anticipated Shib the Metaverse has been announced to be launched on the Shibarium platform. While Shiba Inu has been a very slow mover in the recent market rally, some analysts still remain bullish about it. Popular crypto enthusiast David Gokhshtein recently said that his bet of Shib at $0.01 still remains valid, with Balaji Srinivasan betting for BTC price to be at $1 million. However, this would mean a massive 100 times gains for the current SHIB price. If not, Gokhshtein has promised to delete his Twitter with 700,000 followers. A crypto wallet holding a large number of Shiba Inu tokens is moving funds to exchanges, with historical data suggesting a decline in prices in the short term if the holder were to sell the tokens. Wallet 0xD6 moved more than 182 billion Shiba Inu tokens to crypto exchanges Gemini and Crypto.com during Asian morning hours on Monday. Data cited from analytics firm Look On Chain shows. 3 months ago, the same wallet moved more than 200 billion Shib to Crypto.com, selling them for US dollars. Shib's price fell 7% at the time. Tracking the movement of tokens from wallets that hold a significant amount of supply can serve as an indicator of price activity. If a large number of tokens are sold, the price might decline as a greater supply is available to the market. If the tokens are moved to related decentralized finance (DeFi) applications, however, prices may not drop immediately. Etherscan data shows the wallet 0xD6 holds more than 3.1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, valued at almost $40 million at current prices. That is slightly over 0.3% of the total supply of Shiba Inu tokens. Look On Chain said the wallet acquired Shiba Inu tokens in August 2020 with an initial investment of 10 Ether ETH, or just over $3,000 at the time. Shiba Inu coin price has been trading sideways despite a surge in Bitcoin price. The meme coin is currently lagging behind most altcoins as BTC battles with its $28,000 resistance. Shib price chart appears to be the calm before the storm as the holders await the launch of its Layer 2 network. On Friday, Shib is showing minor gains of 0.85%. At press time, the popular meme coin is trading at $0.00001067. The coin is 10.8% up from its monthly lows and 32% below its YTD highs. At the moment, Shib's price appears to be in sideways accumulation, signaling that a big move might be on the horizon. Lately, most of the Shib news has been regarding the much-awaited launch of the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain. This has become one of the most anticipated events for the meme coin community, as this can create upward pressure on the Shiba Inu coin price. The developers of the new blockchain are still keeping cards close to their chests, and the mainnet launch date is yet to be announced. The public beta version of the network is already live since March 11th. However, the hype of the new meme coin blockchain has taken a hit due to the use of a chain ID for an existing blockchain. This was mentioned by a community member in the Discord. The following Shib chart shows that the price has created a lower low on the daily chart. Technically, analysts consider this as a sign of weakness and a start of a potential downtrend. Furthermore, the price is consolidating below the $0.00001086 support and trading below its 200-day moving average. The Koyo token is a decentralized finance project, DeFi, based on the Ethereum blockchain that aims to provide a platform where users can access various financial services, including lending, borrowing, and staking in a decentralized manner. The platform's native cryptocurrency is the Koyo token. This serves as a payment method for accessing the various financial services on the platform. According to CoinMarketCap, the token is ranked number 3,180 and has a market cap of just $8.4 million. Nevertheless, the project has burned a whopping 4.631 billion Shiba Inu tokens, roughly $50,000 in the last 10 days, contributing much of Shib's destruction in the last 2 weeks. The amount has even sparked debate over whether the numbers are accurate. However, ShibBurn, Shiba Inu's dedicated burn tracker, recently confirmed the numbers. Shiba Inu tokens were burned through the burn portal. The proof of the burn tokens is the amount of burnt Shib tokens that can be attributed to the Koyo token address. That's a wrap for today.
Charts are lying, and it looks like the majority of people are falling for this trap. The whales are laughing at you and keep accumulating more. Do not be fooled. This is a very urgent video. The truth is here. So let's not waste a second and get straight to the point. Disclaimer. It was just discovered that Bitcoin ETF saw an impressive $49 million in inflows, marking the 13th consecutive day of gains. This consistent streak of inflows like that is huge, signaling a level of bullish sentiment we haven't witnessed in quite some time. The buzz in the community is palpable, with many describing this phenomenon as bulls are gearing up. But what exactly are they gearing up for? Well, a picture with a chart has started gaining traction on Twitter, showing that we are on the brink of a huge bull run. The image is described with the caption, "It's so obvious, you just need some patience." And yeah, the author of this picture is right. One critical thing we all seem to forget is that Bitcoin ETFs are not just a game of chess. Just a month ago, we had a Bitcoin halving event. And historically, these events are the catalysts for major bull runs. However, the impact is not immediate. It takes time for the market to settle after the initial news-driven speculation. Such a significant event causes massive excitement and speculation, leading to erratic market behavior as a lot of people become active. This heightened activity can obscure the bullish impact of the halving. Once the market cools down and the frenzy subsides, that's when the true effects of the halving start to manifest. For instance, after the halving in July 2016, Bitcoin's price was relatively stable initially, but surged from around $650 to nearly $20,000 by December 2017. Similarly, following the May 2020 halving, Bitcoin's price hovered around $9,000 for a while, but then skyrocketed to over $60,000 by April 2021. These historical examples show that while the initial aftermath of a halving was a success, it was not a success. It was a success, but it was not a success. The real bullish impact often follows after the market stabilizes. But this is where things get strange. We all know that Shiba Inu often mirrors Bitcoin's movements, so this news should be very bullish for Shiba Inu. However, what's actually happening is quite the opposite. Popular cryptocurrency trader and analyst Ali Martinez has published data showing that people have transferred an astonishing amount of Shiba Inu to crypto trading platforms. And we know that this usually means they want to sell. According to the Shiba Inu is a crypto trading platform that is analyst. Between May 14 and May 29, the overall supply of Shiba Inu on cryptocurrency exchanges increased from approximately 144 trillion to more than 147.5 trillion coins. This means that more than 4 trillion Shiba Inu, roughly $103 million worth, was moved to exchanges. Interestingly, May 29 was the day when Shiba Inu's price skyrocketed, surging by 21% within just a few days. However, this spike was followed by a 12% decrease, likely due to the massive sell-off. The price pullback occurred in two drops. The first took Shiba Inu down by 8.8%, with a brief rebound attempt, followed by a second crash that pushed the price by down another 10%. This analysis makes us wonder why people are selling when the market situation seems so bullish. 13 straight days of Bitcoin inflows is so huge. And it looks like the Bitcoin halving event is finally poised to shift the price. Shiba Inu is one of the few cryptocurrencies that should benefit greatly from these developments. So why are people selling now? It kind of makes no sense. Well, here's what some people think actually happened. The recent price spike in Shiba Inu we saw a couple of days ago prompted people to sell. It's a pretty obvious move for many investors, since they all want to lock in some profit. When there's a sudden price increase, it's natural for investors to seize the opportunity to cash out and realize their gains. This behavior is typical in the market. When prices go up quickly, many traders sell to ensure They benefit from the rise before any potential drop. So it probably has nothing to do with the bullish news about Bitcoin. Instead, it's just people selling their Shiba Inu to capitalize on the recent price spike. This selling pressure is what led to the subsequent drop in Shiba Inu's price. But this is where things get very interesting. Within the last 24 hours, the trend of Shiba Inu withdrawals from centralized exchanges among whales and the rise in the price of Bitcoin has picked up momentum. This is a trend specifically seen among whales. Today, the crypto surveillance account Look and Chain highlighted the activity of a prominent Shiba Inu whale. This investor withdrew approximately 58 billion Shiba Inu tokens from Binance. Meanwhile, another whale transferred over 445 billion Shiba Inu tokens from the American exchange Robinhood to a private wallet. Altogether, whales have moved out over 500 billion Shiba Inu tokens from exchanges within the local market. This is a trend that has been seen in the last 24 hours, with a monetary value exceeding $13 million. What's interesting is that their behavior is the opposite of what the majority of people are doing. So now the question arises, who should you trust? The majority of investors or the Shiba Inu whales? On one side, trusting them. Majority makes sense because their collective actions reflect a broad consensus. When many investors decide to sell, it typically indicates a common sentiment or reaction to market conditions. This crowd investor can often signal a trend that many believe in. On the other side, trusting the whales might be wiser because these large investors often have more information, resources, and experience. Their significant moves can be a sign of strategic decisions based on deeper insights or long-term plans. Whales moving large amounts of Shiba Inu off exchanges could indicate confidence in future price increases, suggesting they are preparing for a potential rise rather than a sell-off. So, who do you trust?